Heya, I'm Leila, creative director at heyLeiloo Studio. People ask me how to launch a video game in 2026. They think it starts with complex code or expensive software. It doesn't. It starts with 3 specific parts. First, you need an anchor. For me, it started with a character. A lot of work went into her, but here she is. Me, Leiloo Sharkind. She's a colorful girl who loves helping others. A bit about her, she's half human, half shark. You might not tell just by glancing at her, but her sharp teeth and ability to breathe underwater make her unique. Her mission isn't to save the world, it's to help her shark friend collect pies. It's simple, but it's hers. Her design is recognizable, and yours should be too. Don't build a generic soldier or a blob. Spend time designing a character with a specific look and specific goal. Once you have interesting character, the world around them becomes natural to create. You aren't forcing the game, you're building a home for them. Second is opening the engine. And I don't mean just watching a tutorial, I mean getting your hands dirty. The best advice I can give you is stop trying to make the whole game at once. When you open Unity or Unreal, try to build level 10. Just try to make the character move, then make them jump, then make the jump feel good. You will break the code, the physics will glitch, the art won't load. Good. That frustration is the actual job. If you aren't breaking things, you aren't learning. The work isn't typing the code perfectly. The work is fixing it when it breaks. And third, you have to believe in the scale of your own work. My game was even premiered in a cinema. Seeing Shark's request projected on a big screen proved something important. The screen doesn't care how big your team is, it only cares about the vision. When you respect your own project, the world respects it back. Design your game as if it belongs in a theater, because one day, it might. Speaking of big screens, Shark's request is coming to Steam soon, so stay tuned for updates and more projects that will come to life. Thanks for watching, I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you soon!